Reach for the speed, reach for the whistle, go where the rail may run. Reach for the bird, reach for the storm, follow the rainbow sun. To the shining plantation, where dreams can come true, waiting there for
Zach, the Canadian Walker, was ill. Workmen were trying to make him feel better, but it was no good. Jason must take you to the works, said Mr. Hamilton. Zach felt very miserable. He spoke to Randy. Randy, I would like you to take over Zach while he's away. Randy was pleased. Away he went to get the coaches. He found the coaches at the station. Randy said the coaches, don't bump or bang us like the other engines do. Randy pulled and pulled with all his might. And at last he departed from the station. He just kept finishing the show. Randy was having a wonder when his arms were inside. He said, Randy, getting quickly, please. Randy departed from the station. It happened. Randy was now a runaway train, and the puppets were pulling up in gravitational speed. Oh, help! Cried Randy. Apply the brakes, said his driver. I can't stop. I'm a runaway. Randy's driver tried to pull the brakes. But Randy was a runaway train, and there was trouble. The bumpers were thick. Randy tried to brake hard. Whoa! Cried Randy. Randy applied his brakes, but it was too late. There was a terrible crash. Randy crashed straight in front of the bumpers. Mr. Hamilton arrived at the crash scene. Why were you going so fast, Randy? Said Mr. Hamilton. But sir, it wasn't my fault. The heavy coach was trying to push me down the hill. Randy's driver, do you think you can tell us what happened? While Randy was trying to take the passenger train up the hill and smash straight into the bumpers. I see that. Actually, it wasn't their fault. You might probably need to go to the works, that's all. I know that, sir, said Randy. Is he gonna be alright, sir? Said Dagapod. I think he might be, said Mr. Hamilton. Just give it time. I'm very sorry, sir, Randy. It's not your fault, Randy. Can you take Randy and the coaches away, Decapod? Yes, sir. And Decapod walked away. A few days later, Randy returned from the works. He had been refitted with a new cow catcher. He felt very happy with it. At the sheds, there was a welcome back Randy celebration at the sheds. To celebrate Randy, the CB&Q 05B number 5632. Zach also returned from the works a few days later and said something to Randy. Thank you for looking after my Branchline, he huffed. I really appreciate it. You're welcome, said Randy. And I'm also sorry I messed up. Oh, that's alright, said Zach. Accidents do happen all the time on this railroad. All aboard, said the conductor. Oh, that's my cue, I gotta go, Zach. See you later. And Randy hopped away from the terminus and on to the High Valley station. Zach watched Randy disappear and went on to his branch line. that, my friends, was that.
Reach for the speed, reach for the whistle, go where the rail may run. Reach for the words, reach for the story, follow the rainbow sun. To a shining time station, where dreams can come true, waiting there for you. So much to see, so far to travel, so much to learn to know. Friends by your side, hopes to hold on to, who knows how far you'll go. To a shining time station, where dreams can come true. You're